guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out. I'm joined by the best chairman. I'm Nandi Chair.
Oh, grand out chap.
Grand chair.
Shangi komnandi. Yeah, komnandi vanti. This week asibanga nevikele grand yabo. And lama game eswaluzile oyi2. Ama game bekumele ngabe swawinile chap. Bekungananto ebesiphazamisa la ukuthi ama game laba abantu besingabagwaza yabo. From there during the week in fact bekugame ekumele siwinile saba nama flop ethu sayithola induku ngazitshela ukuthi mhlambe wake up call because besine confident too much ukuthi enhle yithi siyazenzela yabona bese ngiza kule ya namhlanje uthami yabona iCatholic Stars ukufika kwayo yiwe naSithibo ifike iplanile istadile ibhakanile you understand mangabheka leza intwana lezana the whole game bezishayile low block besidlala emuva zitshela ukuthi zizwenzani zizo attack nje ngamalukhuzana ngama counter attack I understand leyo nto leyo uthami and manje ke nathi masibona ukuthi le ntwana lezi zipaka ibhasi azange sibe ne second plan ukuthi siziqhaqha kanjani le ntwana lezi yabona and mfethu mangabe kupaka ibhasi sometimes itrya noma ufere indaba yetikataka mfethu indaba yetikataka angeke uzulunge ukuthi udlala ngelo block because nini ibhola lakho bazolintercepta balibuyisele emuva uyayibona leyo nto leyo uthami so angeke ngize ngiblame okuningi uthami ngiyazi ukuthi mabhakaniya no la khona inhliziyo zawo zibova uthami aphume ku Nedbank iNedbank bese handwe over already ukuthi mabhakaniya naye siluzile and le ntwana leza uthami ngishilo mina na during ngathi le ntwana lezi sidlala nazo iCatholic Stars mawungazibheka even eligini yazi ukuthi ziperform kanjani iflop lethu ukuthi sometimes we don't look lama game lawa you understand asibheka ama team ethu kuphela leza intwana if ngikukhumbuza Sithibo zidlale ama playoff 2 season in a row kule ya league yabo bayibhayiziseka kuma playoffs leza intwana zine discount yabo and kuleza intwana kusintwana zasebhuqweni kuphela khona nabangazi ukuthi lapha kunama XPSL players abhaya kule ya team leya nama veteran you understand uthami and ngayisho dayideng leyo ukuthi makuloku draw namahlapa amancane Sithibo ungacabanga ukuthi walk over ngaze ngayibeka ngathi sike saba nale flop elisong emaludi before you understand la isathola khona bology you understand awuthi mawubona udlala nentwana encane bese uyitshela ukuthi ziyahambela le ntwana lezi ngizozicongratulate mfethu igame sihlulekile ukukora egamini safika kuma penalty nasema penaltini sazimeyisela thina ilottery ke leyana mfethu amajidi ayimeyisele ama penalty nenawa ngengize ngikhale kangaka ukuthi kanjani engwaziyo nje mfethu ukuthi thina no siluzi Nedbank into engakutshela yona uthi akukho mnandi kubhlungu yabona sizo regroupa sayophumula Sithibo sanenye igame kumele sidlale next week okwamanje ithi so dosa umoya uthi sibe mnandi angeke ngize ngikhuluma into eningi kanjani ayibona uthi ngizokutshela yona nje ukuthi no mabhakaniya ehlisa umoya ma flop akhona idiskill ne win ne lose ne draw yizi izinto ezikhona mfethu angeke team idlala ama win season iziyophela yabona so namhlanje ngithi ngishaya nje speak and frustane mfethu ngokuthi asehliseni umoya ngiyazi ku blind inhliziyo zibhlungu nami la ngikhona mfana inhliziyo yami ibovu funa ukuthintiwa kahle namhlanje khona ngangiphaphela ngedbuquzi yabona so angifune nje into eningi ukuthi ngivayele but ngisho ukuthi mabhakane yehlisana umoya bafethu nibe grand akunanex sasenento esicompetayo you understand baningi abantu abaphumile emakhapini Sithibo thina sesohlangana nabanye Saturday laba abaselelwe nabo manje sonke sesiselelwe ilast trophy yokuyiphakamisa asikhiphe ke manje Nedbank sengikhuluma ngebig 3 yasemzansi selelwe manje ukuphakamisa one trophy you understand how time aye khona bazophakamisa Khosi for life yi-trophy abazoyiphakamisa ibethwe uzoyibheka between Mamelodi Sundowns neBhakaneni mfana mara kule 14 games esisayiphethe esasele kuningi kusazoyenzeka.
Thank you, Chairman.